In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change who can see your social media links on Roblox. So if people can't see or can't access your social media links or profiles, you can go ahead and enable this feature. Also, if you no longer want people to see your social media handles or links to your social media, you can also go ahead and restrict this on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Roblox account, and if you had added any social media links that you want to change, or if you want to add, you can also go ahead and follow these steps. Go to this more option here, and then from this scroll down until you see this option called settings. Under settings, go to account info, which is the first option, and this will take you to your Roblox account details. Now from this, scroll down until you get to social media section. Now below it, you should be able to see all the social media handles that you added to Roblox. In my case, I added some links, and you can see I have here X link. So if you scroll further, now you can see we have this option, social network visibility. Here you can change who can see links to your social network profiles. For my case, it is set to none, and I'd like to go ahead and allow everyone to be able to see, or you can also just go ahead and permit this to maybe connections or people that I follow, and the changes will be saved when you choose any of these options. So that's how you can change your social media profile visibility on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.